My name is Saratan, your number one visually impaired software engineer. In today's video, I am coming to tell you reasons why you should learn Python programming language. 1. Python programming language has very simple syntax. So beginners who don't know anything about programming language can easily learn this language in a few days. The language syntax is almost like English language. 2. Python programming language is considered as a general purpose programming language. This language can basically be used in every application development. So if you want to work on web application, AI or web mining project, you can use this language to develop such application. 3. Python has rich libraries or third-party scripts that you can easily use in your project. So for instance, if you want to work on web application, there is one popular website called Python Package Index. You can easily go there and you will get a package or a library for that particular project that you are working on. Thank you. My name is Saratan. See you in my next video. Bye bye.